Hey guys, Thatnub here. Today we are checking out a leak that we have in our water line. This one comes from the water line all the way up to the refrigerator. It goes up to the refrigerator to make the ice. This is a leak that the wife noticed today because she was standing next to the cabinets here and it got a little wet on her feet. So we tied this little string here to our water issue and caused it to drip into this pan instead of our floors. And we called the home warranty people because this is a plumbing issue and it's covered. And they're going to send a plumber out, get this, tomorrow at 5 to 6 p.m. So we have to deal with this water leaking all that time. Next, we called the insurance company that we have our home insurance through, and they are sending out a guy to tell us what will happen next, I guess. An emergency water response guy. So we'll see what happens with that and get back to you. So that emergency response water guy just left, and he basically said that we're going to have to file a claim on this. This is a recent, what did he say? The water valve failed, and so it's going to cause water damage underneath here. And he brought out this little, I don't know, water tester thingy or whatever to see how much humidity was in the water or in the floors. And pretty much the entire kitchen is going to have to be redone. All of these cabinets here are going to have to come out. And because all of these are coming out, then all of those ones have to come out because they don't make them anymore and they're going to have to match it up, which means all of these cabinets here are going to have to come out, and all of these cabinets here are going to have to come out. All of this. The floor, the water's getting up underneath because of the way that manufactured homes are made. It kind of goes, the vinyl goes like to about here-ish. And so all the water that's dripping down there is getting underneath the vinyl. And his little water tester thing found water all the way out to here, way down there, and pretty much all of this. So we have all of this that has to be replaced. And it's going to take about 4 weeks to get the cabinets ordered and in. And then about 3 more weeks to do all the rest of the stuff. Oh, it's going to be drama. This is going to suck. But, I don't know. It'll get done. So next we have to wait for the insurance adjuster to come out and basically say the same thing that the emergency response guy said. And after that, we'll go on to what's after that, I guess. So we're going to take you along with this process because it is going to be like 2 months worth of dealing with this, minimum. $20,000 worth of damage or worth of fixing because of that little drip for, I don't know, probably 5, 6, 7 hours before we noticed it. That's insane. Let's see what happens next. So the plumber's here and he said basically something in here failed. And so he's going to have to cut a piece off of this, get a new compression PC thing, a new little nut here, and then screw that back in, and it'll be working fine again. It should be pretty quick to do that once he can get the part, but he's got to go away to get the part, so give you an update when that happens. After the plumber left, the home restoration people came back out, and you can see they demolished that countertop and cabinets. There's a plumber's handiwork for now. And they demolished that cabinet, and they're going to demolish this pantry cabinet here on the right that goes all the way up. That one's going away today. And then we're going to push back the fridge and live like that until all of the cabinets and counters and floors come in. And then we'll start putting it in. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.